valves in the heart ensure that blood flows along the proper path, from the atria into the ventricles and out of the ventricles through the vessels of systemic or pulmonary circulation. The valves maintain proper blood flow by opening and closing the four chambers. Heart valves consist of flaps that cause blood to course in one direction only, preventing backflow. The unidirectional flaps that make up each valve are also referred to as cusps or leaflets. Each of the four heart valves differs in structure and function. The two valves located between the left and right atria and the left and right ventricles are called the atrioventricular valves. They are often referred to by their abbreviation, the AV valves. The AV valves facilitate the flow of blood as it moves into the ventricles from the atria. Fibrous cords, called the chordae tendineae, secure the AV valves to the papillary muscles on the walls of the right and left ventricles. The cords help ensure that the valves always open downward and cannot invert. The tricuspid valve is an AV valve located on the heart's right side. It is so named because it is composed of three cusps: the anterior leaflet, the posterior leaflet, and the septal leaflet. When the tricuspid valve opens, blood empties from the right atrium into the right ventricle. The heart's left side contains another AV valve known as the mitral valve. It has two cusps: the anterior and posterior, or septal and mural leaflets. When the mitral valve opens, blood empties from the left atrium into the left ventricle. The AV valves maintain proper blood flow within the heart. The heart's other two valves, the pulmonary valve and the aortic valve, control the proper flow of blood exiting the heart. These valves provide an exit from the heart into the major arteries. Blood flows through them out to the lungs or to other parts of the body. The pulmonary valve and the aortic valve are often referred to jointly as the semilunar valves because each cusp of these valves resembles a half moon in shape. The pulmonary valve is on the right side of the heart. When it opens, blood empties out of the right ventricle and flows in the pulmonary trunk toward the lungs. The three flaps of the pulmonary valve are called the right cusp, left cusp, and anterior cusp. The other semilunar valve, known as the aortic valve, is on the left side of the heart. When it opens, blood empties out of the left ventricle into the aorta and flows from the heart to the rest of the body. The three flaps of the aortic valve are the left coronary cusp, the right coronary cusp, and the non-coronary cusp.